Hello guys, today I'm with one of accounting student. So can I do some interview with you?
Of course.
Okay. So first of all, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Asha.
The question is, what is your reason for choosing Universitas Brawijaya?
I think University of Brawijaya is one of the best university in Indonesia. Also in the UB, it's close to my home. I think it's perfect combination for me.
Okay. The second one is, why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
I pick FEB because I always want to study accounting and accounting itu ada di FEB.
Okay, the similar question with your answer. Why did you choose accounting as your major?
Because I like math and economic at the same time. Jadi menurut aku akuntansi itu perfect karena itu kombinasi yang sesuai. Ya.
How do you think studying accounting prepare you for a career in business?
Boleh bahasa Indonesia?
Yes.
Oke, karena aku pengen bercita-cita sebagai audit, menurut aku berkuliah di akuntansi itu bakalan membantu banget untuk mencapai cita-cita tersebut. Karena cita-cita itu kan sangat similar ya sama pelajaran akuntansi.
Okay. And the last one is, how do you see the role of accountant evolving in the next 5 till 10 years?
Menurut aku pekerjaan akuntansi itu kan konsep ya, jadi dia nggak akan berevolusi terlalu jauh ataupun terlalu berbeda. Cuma aku pastinya untuk lebih ke arah harapan aja, semoga akuntansi ke 5 tahun ataupun 10 tahun ke depan nggak akan tergantikan oleh teknologi ataupun AI yang sekarang sedang berkembang pesat.
Okay, that's all my question for you. Thank you, Asha.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, can I do some interview with you?
Sure.
Are you accounting student, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. What is your reason for choosing University Brawijaya?
I choose University of Brawijaya because University of Brawijaya has a lot of opportunities to grow, and University of Brawijaya has a good reputation.
Okay. Why did you choose the Faculty of Economics and Business?
Because I want to know and I want to learn how business and economics works.
Okay. Then why did you choose accounting for your major?
I choose accounting for my major because accounting has a good skill. Accounting has a lot of opportunities for careers in the future. Like that.
Okay. How do you think studying accounting prepares you for a career in business?
I think because it helps me understand a company finance condition like that.
Okay. How do you see the role of accountant evolving in the next 5 or 10 years?
Accounting in the next 5 until 10 years will be mixed with technology. As we know, there are some issues accounting will replace by AI. But for me, in my opinion, accounting it not replace. AI is just help accountant like that.
Okay, it's a nice answer. Thank you, Sharon.
Oh, okay, guys. We will interview someone random for project English. So, what's your name?
My full name is Salam Yu Azam. You can call me Azam.
Okay, Azam. I have a question for this project. First, I have question is, what is your reason for choosing Universitas Brawijaya?
My reason for choosing Universitas Brawijaya because it's my parents' dreams, and then I do it for parents' dreams, and then come true.
Okay, why you don't choose other universitas?
Because this is my parents' dreams. That's it.
Okay, let's move other question. Why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
I am choosing Faculty of Economic and Business is because, in my opinion, this faculty is the best faculty in Universitas Brawijaya.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's move again. Why did you choose accounting as your major?
Because accounting major is very flexible and then very work in company jadi banyak dibutuhin di pekerjaan. Yeah, that's all.
But someone said FEB is very busy. What do you think about that?
Very busy.
Yeah, busy.
I'm not agree. FEB is very chill, very cheerful, flexible. I hope long term in FEB is very happiness.
Okay, that's cool. Okay. Let's move. How do you think studying accounting prepare you for a career in a business?
Studying accounting is of course preparing my job because accounting is very needed in a work company, in my opinion. And then accounting is very specialist in di bidang finance. That's all.
The last question. How do you see the role of accountant evolving in the next 5 until 10 years?
Accounting in 5 and 10 years in the future is not recording but analytical and then strategic finance and then problem solving in finance. That's all for me. Accounting is change. In the first, accounting is recording, but in the future, accounting is strategic analytical and then problem solving and then yeah, that's all.
Hello, I'm so sorry. Are you an accounting student?
Oh yeah, of course.
Can I ask you some questions so I can complete my task?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's go over here. So my name is Anissa Larasati Chayarani and you can call me Ann. And I'm accounting student too. I'm in my first year. So can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, I'm Jelita for accounting 25, same like you.
Okay. So let me ask you some question, okay? Okay, so for the first question is, what is your reason to choosing this Universitas Brawijaya?
So I choose Brawijaya University because in the first one is a top 10 university in Indonesia and it's high quality education in here and the comfort environmental and comfort place too, and it's kind of cold and calm in here, so yeah.
Okay, so that's a really nice answer. So for the next question is, why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
I choose Faculty Economic and Business in Brawijaya University because I think I have to develop my business skill and character development, become better and become a business girl in future, something like that.
Wow, so it's really aligned with your career in the future, right?
Okay, you said that you are accounting student, right? So why did you choose accounting for your major?
Well, first of all, I choose accounting for all of major because I think I enjoy work with numbers and I want to get to know in deep like how and what's accounting work in finance and
Okay, so for the next question is, how do you think studying accounting prepares you for the next career in business field?
I think studying accounting prepares me for the next career because accounting make me know like what I spend and what I manage my money and spend like that. So to grow my business too and study a financial problem and something like that.
Okay, so for the last question is, how do you see the role of accountants in evolving in 5 until 10 years next?
I think for 5 in 10 years, accounting still use and still do in finance business but many people says like accounting can replace by AI or technology, something like that. But I think AI can error something, but human is not. Like human can do balance the money or something like that. But I think that's all.
Are you busy right now? No. So can I interview? Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Fatur Sawiyuddin. You can call me Fatur. So, what's your interview today?
I interview for my junior, so they can take inspiration from you. Okay. So for the first question is, what is your reason for choosing University of Brawijaya?
So, actually I chose Universitas Brawijaya because this is the most good university in Indonesia, and actually he made some achievement like achieve KPTN, actually quite a good enough in Indonesia, and this is my last choice university to being a student in college for this year. So that's it for my reason to become a student in Brawijaya University.
Okay, good answer. So the second question is, why did you choose the Faculty of Economics and Business?
Actually I choose Faculty of Economics and Business because I like money. Actually, I like money, and I want to learn about money in a deep way. Actually, maybe invest some product or maybe another house, and I have interest about how the business run up, because if we can make some business, we must learn in the perfect ways.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. That's it. How I can be here
Okay.
at this major.
So the third question is, why did you choose accounting as your major?
Actually, I chose accounting because in accounting we have a lot things we can explore, and in accounting we can job in audit, or maybe we can get job in consulting, or maybe we can just be accounting in company, right?
Yes,
That's
yes. And how do you think studying accounting prepares you for a career in business?
Actually, being accounting in Brawijaya University quite a good enough, I think. In Brawijaya University, we can learn many things, and we have a pathways to become to reach out with HR in top 4 actually.
Yes, yes.
Top 4
You're
company
right.
in Indonesia, and actually it's a good things in this situation and this era. Yeah, that's it. Why I choose accounting, and how the accounting in Brawijaya University give a good things to the student.
Oh yeah, okay. And how do you see the role of accountant evolving in the next 5 or until 10 years?
Actually, if we can plan how accounting can move in 5 or 10 years, actually maybe an accounting Brawijaya University can make some quite a good things, I guess, because the alumni in Brawijaya University quite a good things,
Okay.
Actually, the alumni reach in Big Four, Astra, or maybe another company. So maybe if 5 and 10 years, we can reach out maybe from the alumni. I don't know, but I hope so.
Yeah.
We can reach out from the alumni and we can work in there.
Yes, you're right.
That's
Okay, so enough from today. The interview. Thank you for your time.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
thank you. Sorry for disturbing your time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, are you an accounting student? Yes. Oh yeah, okay. Can I ask you some questions so I can complete my task? Sure. Okay, let's sit first. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. My name is Anissa Larasati Chayarani, and you can call me Ann. So I have to ask you some question, and you can answer it. But can you introduce yourself first?
My name is Gwen Adrian Laksana and I'm an accounting student, 2025.
So for the first question is, what's your reason to choose University of Brawijaya?
Okay, so I chose University of Brawijaya because I feel like this university has a good reputation, and also I feel like this university environment is very comfortable for me.
So you choose this university because it's comfortable, yeah? Okay, so for the next question is, why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
Okay, so I chose the Faculty of Economics and Business because I feel like the business related fields will give us more opportunities in later job. Yeah.
Okay, so you are an accounting student, right?
Yeah.
So what is the reason you choose accounting for your study? Okay, so for the next question is, how do you think studying accounting is prepares you for the future?
So studying accounting helps me more to understand about how business runs, and also help me to analyze, manage budgets, and also make decisions.
Okay, that's a nice answer actually. Okay, so for the last question is, how do you see the role of accountants evolving in the next 5 or 10 years?
Okay, in my opinion, accountant in 5 until 10 years later will be more strategic, and also will be more analyzing, and maybe it will be more into auditing.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm in general class, so I want to do some interview with my classmate. Okay. Hello, can I do some interview with you? Okay. First of all, can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Maratu Saliha.
So the question is, what is your reason for choosing Universitas Brawijaya?
Okay, as we know, University Brawijaya is one of the top 10 university in Indonesia, and I chose University Brawijaya because I know about how good University Brawijaya in Faculty of Economics and Business, also in accounting.
Okay. And the second question is, what did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
Okay, like I said in the question before, FEB or Faculty of Economic and Business in University of Brawijaya is one of the top Faculty of Economics and Business in Indonesia. So that's why I choose to apply in Faculty of Economics and Business.
Okay. And then why you choosing this major, accounting major, as your major?
Okay. The reason why I choose accounting major is because I can see the right path, and then how the career is for accounting, for accountant, I mean. And then I really enjoy to studying in economics and also in accounting.
Okay. And next to the question, how do you think studying accounting prepares you for a career in business?
Okay, also in accounting, we learn all about managing about finance, also how to report about the finance in the accounting. It's really prepare me and also us in accounting major for we so that we can ready and we can prepare ourselves best to enter the inter work or in company also, yeah.
How do you think studying accounting prepares you for a career in business?
Studying accounting helps me build analytical skills and understand the financial statement and make the best financial decision.
How do you see the role of accountants evolving in the next 5 to 10 years?
I believe that accounting will be use more technology and analytical skills and making their role more strategic and not just about recording numbers maybe.
I think it's all for me. Thank you so much for your participation.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
You don't choose another university like UI, UGM, and others.
Because I'm being realistic, I can go there with only preparing by 3 days. That's why I choose Brawijaya University. If I go University of Indonesia, I would not pass it.
Okay, let's move the other question. Is why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
So I've seen many Faculty of Economic and Business from University of Brawijaya had been successful in their career. Like I have friends that his parents is one of alumni from University of Brawijaya, and she had many companies and businesses that she handled. That's why I chose it.
Okay. And third question is why did you choose accounting as your major in FEB?
I chose accounting as my major with no specifically things. I just had some challenge that I come from mathematics and science major, and then I go to accounting to search for challenging attempt, like how can I manage myself to get this science, this accounting skills with my, what do you say in English, with my braveness, maybe like that.
Okay, that's cool. So how do you think studying accounting prepares you for a career in business?
I think studying accounting for prepare in my business is really important, that every companies need accounting people or accountants and also tax center data analysts, that they get it from accounting major in any universities, maybe like that.
Okay, the last question is how do you see the role of accountant evolving in the next 5 until 10 years?
According to our digital era, that AI is really impactful to our life. Maybe accountant may to collaborate themselves with AI to make their job, their work easily, and also specifically to manage them from preventing them from any mistakes that they can make, maybe.
Okay.